Hey guys, welcome back to another challenge. Yes, another garden challenge with outdoors with Big Matt. It is the hashtag 5-gallon bucket challenge, and he is challenging everyone to grow either a tomato, a pepper, or potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket. So I am growing a Brandywine tomato in a 5-gallon bucket. Now I have my whole garden planted already, but I got this invite to join this collaboration, and I thought, what the heck? I had 3 tomato plants left over from planting the garden that I had nowhere to put. I mean, I've overloaded this bed already with too many tomatoes and still had 3 left over. So I started all of my seeds in hydroponics, up potted into soil, into the grow tent, and then out to the garden. And this Brandywine did not have a home, and now it does. So he is challenging everyone to grow something, even if it's in a 5-gallon bucket. And I just happened to have a 5-gallon bucket that I was not using this year, and I had 3 tomato plants left over. So there you have it. Hashtag 5-gallon bucket challenge with Matt over at Outdoors with Big Matt. So if you're looking for something to grow you a tomato, grow you a pepper, grow you a potato. Oh gosh, potatoes are so easy to grow. If you got a potato with an eye on it, stick it down in some soil about 4 inches and watch it grow. Let me show you. Those are potatoes. Potatoes. And I literally planted these probably about 8 days ago. These are potatoes. Those have been growing for a couple weeks. Potatoes. Oh, and there's some potatoes. Sweet potatoes. More potatoes, more potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Oh, and we can't stop there. More potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. And I have lots of, these are all bell peppers. These are bell peppers. Tomatoes, 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 and tomatoes. These are all hot peppers. I mean, hot peppers. These are jalapeno peppers with a few other things, onions and cilantro and asparagus, but these are all of my jalapeno peppers. I do have a few jalapeno peppers that I put in for seed. They have not come up yet. But anyway, I've already got tomatoes, hot peppers, bell peppers, and potatoes growing in the garden. And now for the challenge. Come on, guys. Get you a 5-gallon bucket. Make sure you drill some holes in the bottom of it and plant you an eye of a potato, a tomato seed, a pepper seed, whatever you choose. Grow with us. Hashtag 5-gallon bucket challenge. And make sure you tag Outdoors with Big Matt. We'll see you guys on the updates.